Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to install the click-to-deploy version of WordPress on Google Compute Engine. Before we get started, make sure you have already signed up for an account on Google Cloud. If not, go to cloud.google.com, sign up for a free trial account, and you'll get $300 for 12 months to start with. Let's get started. Double-click the browser icon from your desktop to open. From your browser, navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter your password and click Next again to log in. Click the navigation menu in the upper left corner of your screen and click Marketplace as demonstrated in this video. From the filter menu, click Virtual Machines. Click Blog and CMS from the categories. Click on the Google Click-to-Deploy version of WordPress as demonstrated. Confirm it runs on Google Compute Engine as demonstrated. Click the Launch button to deploy your instance. Next, give your deployment a name. Choose a zone and a machine type, or maintain the default. Next, enter an administrator email address. This must be valid. The email address will be used to create the administrator account for your WordPress website. Next, scroll down, choose a boot disk type, and choose the preferred capacity. Next, scroll down again, and make sure to tick the box next to Allow HTTP traffic and allow HTTPS traffic from the Internet, if not ticked by default. Click on the Deploy button to deploy your WordPress Google Click-to-Deploy instance. Wait while your instance is deployed. This shouldn't take long. Congratulations! Your WordPress Click-to-Deploy is complete and you have a new website. Take note of your new website address and admin login URL. Admin username and the temporary admin login password. Copy and paste or click on the site address to explore your website in a new tab. You can also copy and paste or click on the admin URL to log in and explore your admin dashboard. Copy your admin username and password from the deployment dashboard and paste them in their respective fields and click Login as demonstrated in this video. That's it. Drop your comments below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our pages on social media. Also, check out our website for more on cloud tutorials, life hacks, DIY and how-to, and food recipes. Thanks for watching.